Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel and sneak peek right here. Anyway, so I am coming along with a collective haul from Sherry on Top. Was it Spellbinders? Yes, and an Amazon quick haul. This is a collective haul within this last month, I think, that I've gotten. I probably have gotten more stuff, but for now, this is what I have on hand. And I just received the Sherry on Top and the Spellbinders and Amazon. So this was within a few weeks. So anyways, so let me go ahead and show you what I got from Sherry on Top. I don't remember where I heard this Sherry on Top website, and I started looking at it and I was like, whoa, their prices are amazing. So, and I had just seen somebody do a haul on these, and oh my goodness, I had to have them. I can't remember. I do apologize if you are that person that did a haul on these. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm sorry I can't remember your name. I can never remember names. That is a bad part of me because I can't remember names. I'm so sorry. I do apologize. It's not old age. It's just, I guess Alzheimer's is going to hit me pretty early. That's what I can say. So I got these from basically watching that YouTube channel. I can't remember. I'm so sorry. But oh my goodness. So look at you guys. This is a little girl with the little jump rope. And then she has her hopscotch here. And then she has another stamp here and a birdie. Oh, here. To find time to play is a treasure indeed. So that is so cute. And look at these. These are pretty big. It's not a small stamp. It's a pretty big size stamp. So yay. And then she also showed this one. And I love the little girl that was sitting down. The boy. And look at how big these dies are. Oh my goodness. So this is Carter and Carly. And this one was Katrina. And look at it. Their prices were really... Sorry, you guys. I'm back, you guys. Sorry. Something happened over here, so I had to attend to my children. So anyway, so then this was this Mandy one. Isn't this one cute? And again, it is about the size of my hand. So cute. And then I had to have this one. So this one came in a little later. Excuse me. I can't even talk. So this one came in a little later, and this one is the Priscilla one, and this one was like $5.95, which was an awesome price, like really, because I think I saw it at Amazon and it was a little bit more than that. So that's it for my Sherry on Top. I do so totally recommend you guys look up Sherry on Top website. I will link it down in the description below. Awesome prices, really awesome prices. And then let's go to our Spellbinders. Our Spellbinders, I got these. I think this was $1. I got these die cuts. This was on their, I guess it was more of a 70% off, I think. I'm not too sure. So I got these butterflies. I got this one right here. It's a holiday, but you can use it for birthday if you want. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that cute? Look at, there's a balloon, there's a wagon, the boy and the girl and the present, and it looks like a little house. So awesome, so cute. And it is the size of my hand, almost the size of my hand. And that is it for Spellbinders. Then I went to Amazon because I was needing some baggies, and I got these little bags, and these are 3x11, and sorry again, I'm everywhere. Anyways, I was looking for my packaging because I did package some bows, and these are the smaller bows that I packaged, and I used this little baggies, and I so needed it. Awesome thing to have. And this is a 3x11, and this was at an Amazon purchase. So that is it for my quick small haul. I hope you guys like everything you saw. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.